Hi again. So we've just done this one, and because I'm into this energy, I decided that I'm gonna do this other one. So this other one had this Verbena bonariensis, but a compact one, and it had the same daffodils in it. I'm gonna show you how they look. So I took them out, and I decided I'm gonna add white this white bacopa, so cute. This is an annual too, and this beautiful geranium. Okay, so here, and remember in this one there was some pink diacia, and I'm gonna add the small part just on the side. And in this pot I had some tulips and some crocuses, so I took them out too. I'm gonna show you how many I found, and I'm gonna add this beautiful geranium. So let's do this big one first. And so I think I'm gonna do the white bacopa on this side. I use this as mulch, but oh, okay, I didn't take out an old annual. Can't remember what this was. But it needs to get out, obviously. Let's see, I think we're good now. What is this? Okay, some more daffodils. Now it's good. Okay, so let's add this one. Oh no, maybe some more daffodils. Okay, I need to check in more thoroughly. A hyacinth. It's like a treasure hunt. What more can I find? No, I think it's okay. So now I'm gonna add the compost first. And here I can see some verbena growing into nothing, into cracks. So let's see. Where can I put this? Okay. I'm moving the verbena to the side. So now we can plant. So this nice bacopa in here. Okay, and then the geranium in the middle. So cute. And let's see. So this little piece of Diacia that I found there, all of this with the nice roots on the side. And now that I'm thinking about it, wait a minute, I'm gonna put it here, and I have something else to add. So I grew this one from seed, and it's called Lobelia Magic Mix. So I'm gonna add it to the container. On the side, and I'm hoping it's not gonna have a too big root system against the geranium. For the moment it looks fine, but we'll see, it's gonna be a surprise. Oh, this looks so much better than it was. I was fed up of watching the daffodils die out. And I don't know if you know, but I'm participating into un concours, as we say in French, of the nicest gardens and nicest balconies. So I'm hoping they're going to be able to see it from the street. It's nice. And now I have compost everywhere. Never mind. Do we do something with the verbenas there? Let's see. First of all, we're gonna plant this geranium in this beautiful glazed it was beautiful, this beautiful glazed ceramic pot, and it's gonna be fine. This is the pot in which I had some beautiful tulip called Jimmy, and I'm hoping to be able to save them for next year, because that would mean less tulips to buy. So in this one I don't have much to add, and there were some worms in there, so they enriched the soil already. It's looking really fine in there. A little bit more. You have to leave a bit of depth in the pot so you can be able to water without the compost just spilling around with the water. And that's done. So I'm going to show you. So this is my beautiful baby geranium, and we'll see how big it grows during this season. Maybe you realized that I have a dirty hat, but because I have dirty hands and I touch my head, I prefer to use a dirty hat and not mess with my beautiful hats when gardening. So I might gonna be pottering around, maybe planting tomatoes or something. Not sure yet, but it's gonna be off video for this one. And I hope you enjoyed watching me plant all these nice plants. Tell me if you've been refreshing your own containers and with which plants. I'm always interested in hearing about plants that I don't know about, the varieties and such. And see you in the next one. Bye.